Hi children, this is T Mahalakshmi from Trinity Academy Metric Higher Secondary School. Term 3, Class 4, Lesson 1, Our Agriculture. Today we are going to discuss what is agriculture, types of crops, agricultural production, horticulture, livestock rearing, and fishing. Well, children, what is mean by agriculture? Agriculture means cultivation of land. The word agriculture is derived from a Latin word agri, means soil, and culture means cultivation of the soil. In modern times, agriculture comprises the art and science of cultivating soil, growing crops, and rearing livestock. It includes horticulture, livestock rearing, and fishing. About 70% of India's population depends on agriculture. Agriculture provides food for people and raw materials for industries. More than two-thirds of the Indians are farmers. This makes agriculture the main occupation of our country. Now we can see the types of crops. India has a favorable climate, fertile soil, and good irrigation facilities to grow many crops. The crops can be divided into two groups: food crops, cash crops. Example for food crops are rice, wheat, millets, pulses. Cash crops, sugarcane, jute, cotton, tea, coffee. Children, now we can see what is meant by food crops. The crops which are grown to be eaten are called food crops. The crops which are grown to be eaten are called food crops. Some examples are rice, wheat, millets, and pulses. First, we can see about rice. Rice is most important food crop. India is world's second largest producer of rice after China. India is famous for its more than 4,000 varieties of rice. It grows in hot and wet climate. It mainly grown in West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, and Odisha. Next, wheat. Wheat is the staple food of north and northwestern part of India. It grows in cool and moist climate. Wheat is mainly grown in Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, and Rajasthan. Millets. Millets like jowar, bajra, and ragi are grown in areas that have scanty rainfall. India is the largest producer of millets. It produces in Maharashtra, Telangana, Karnataka, Rajasthan, and Gujarat. Pulses. Pulses include lentils such as moong, masoor, arhar, and gram. Pulses are very rich in proteins. It grows in dry climate. It mainly grown in Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, and Rajasthan. Of these, rice and wheat are the main food crops. Next, we can see cash crops. The crops which are grown to be used in industries or for sale in the market are called cash crops. Again, the crops which are grown to be used in industries or for sale in the market are called cash crops. The main cash crops are sugarcane, jute, cotton, tea, and coffee. First, we can see sugarcane. India is the leading producer of sugarcane in the world. It grows in hot and moist climate. Sugarcane is processed to make jaggery and sugar. It is grown in Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Andhra Pradesh. Jute. Jute is a fiber crop. It grows well in hot and wet climate. Jute is used to make bags, carpets, and ropes. It is also known as golden fiber of India. The major jute producing states are West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, and Odisha. Cotton. Cotton is also a fiber crop. It grows well in black soil of Deccan Plateau. It grows in hot and moist climate. Cotton is grown in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh. Cotton is used to make cloths. Next, we can see tea and coffee. Tea and coffee are popular drinks. Tea is called the queen of beverage. It grows well in hot and wet climate. Tea is mainly grown in Assam, West Bengal, and Tamil Nadu. Coffee is grown in hot and wet climate. It's mainly grown in Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. Coffee powder is made from coffee beans. Now we can see the next topic, agricultural production. Our total agricultural production has increased since independence. This is due to the following factors: use of better quality seeds, more area has been brought under irrigation, use of fertilizers and pesticides. Children, pesticides means a substance sprayed on crops to keep away harmful insects. Next, use of tractors and other modern agriculture machinery. Next, we can discuss about horticulture. Children, what is mean by horticulture? The cultivation of fruits, flowers, and vegetables is called horticulture. They are grown for sale in the market. Many horticultural crops are grown in India. Fruits like apple, pineapple, lychee. Flowers: jasmine, gladiolus, tuberose, marigold. Vegetables like cabbage, potato, peas. The horticultural crops are mostly grown in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and the northeastern states. Livestock rearing. Animals which farmers keep for their use are called livestock. Again, animals which farmers keep for their use are called livestock. It includes cow, buffalo, bullock, sheep, goat, camel, mule, and yak. They are useful in many ways. Cows and buffaloes give milk. Their waste is used as manure. Bullocks are used to plow fields, draw water from wells, and pull carts. Wool is obtained from sheep and camels. The skins of sheep and goats are used to make leather goods. The meat of sheep and goats is eaten. Camels are very useful in deserts. Mules and yaks are used to transport goods and people in hilly regions. Next, we can see the topic fishing. Fish is rich source of protein. Fishing is of two types, marine and inland. Catching fish from the sea is called marine fishing. Catching fish from the sea is called marine fishing. It is done in the states located along the coast. Fishermen catch sardine, mackerel, and shrimp from the sea. Catching fish from rivers, canals, lakes, and ponds is called inland fishing. Catching fish from rivers, canals, lakes, and ponds is called inland fishing. It is popular in Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Assam, and Himachal Pradesh. Fishermen catch rohu, katla, freshwater prawn, and trout. India exports its fish catch to many countries. Children, now we can recall the main points. The cultivation of land is called agriculture. The cultivation of land is called agriculture. It provides food for the people. It provides food for the people. Rice, wheat, millets, and pulses are food crops. Rice, wheat, millets, and pulses are food crops. Sugarcane, jute, cotton, tea, and coffee are cash crops. Sugarcane, jute, cotton, tea, and coffee are cash crops. Better quality seeds, irrigation, fertilizers, pesticides, and tractors have enabled farmers to grow more and better crops. Better quality seeds, irrigation, fertilizers, pesticides, and tractors have enabled farmers to grow more and better crops. The cultivation of fruits, flowers, and vegetables is called horticulture. The cultivation of fruits, flowers, and vegetables is called horticulture. Farmers also keep some animals. They are called livestock. Farmers also keep some animals. They are called livestock. Both marine and inland fishing are popular in India. Both marine and inland fishing are popular in India. Children, hope you all understood the lesson. Thank you.